Good morning or afternoon, TrackIt customers. Thanks for taking the time to watch this demo video of BMC FootPrints version 12. We want to be able to start talking to you specifically as TrackIt customers about the product because you have already got a BMC product in-house, and because the logical step for you is oftentimes to move into sort of the next product in line, if you will, which is FootPrints. Now, FootPrints and TrackIt have some similarities in that they are both ticketing systems, but FootPrints and TrackIt also have some major differences as well. Most notably, these involve areas in which you can customize or configure the solution so that it matches your specific needs. TrackIt is rather limited, and many of you who are watching this video may be finding that to be the case, right? You may see that your TrackIt system is limiting your growth, or that you're simply banging your head on it all the time because of its limitations. FootPrints as a solution is a fully configurable solution, which means instead of kind of getting what TrackIt gives you out of the box, which is like an IT tour on rails, FootPrints allows you to create the kinds of IT experiences that you want, manage the kinds of IT processes that you want. And it allows you to do that through a point-and-click interface that requires no code. So that means there's absolutely no code required to make FootPrints do its work. And yet it still allows you to take all the kinds of tickets that you would expect to take, incidents, problems, and changes, being able to track inventory items, being able to track really any kind of workflow or any process that you have. Now, the screen you guys are looking at right now is a part of the FootPrint solution, and we happen to be looking at just one way of many of interacting with FootPrints. This is considered the FootPrints console, or one of the FootPrints consoles, and its job is to bring back all the information necessary so that you can make the decisions that you need about your day job, right, about the work that's happening, or so that if you're a manager of IT, you can get access to the kinds of information that you need quickly and easily so that you don't have to go searching for it. FootPrint's job, of course, is to help make sure that you stay on top of the work that's being delivered to you. And in that regard, FootPrints does an outstanding job, fully automated. As you can possibly see, this is a web page, so there is no client that's required for FootPrints. What that really means is you don't have to install an application and maintain it. Everything about FootPrints is accessible from the web. And it's accessible from the web for not only your technicians, but it's also accessible by your customers so that they can have access to a web interface as well for you to take any kind of request or ticket that you need. So what we're going to talk about next is really the ability for FootPrints to take literally any kind of the custom familiar tickets that you're used to, right? Things like incidents and problems and changes. But we'll also talk about a unique concept in FootPrints called the workspace and what the workspace can do for you.